Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to install XAMPP on Windows. To download XAMPP, search for XAMPP in Google and you will get the link. Click on the link to download it. Okay, on this page you can download for Windows, Linux and Mac. I'm working on Windows, so I will download from this section. And there are different versions. 8.2.12 is the latest, so I will download it. So our downloading has been started and it will take some time. Okay, downloaded is completed now and we can run the installer. So the setup has been started and we can close the Explorer now. And this is the welcome screen and click next. Okay, from here we can select different components to install. HTTP server Apache is already checked and we cannot uncheck this. This will be installed. And along with that, if you need MySQL, you can check it, otherwise uncheck it. FileZilla FTP server to connect to FTP server. If you need it, you can keep it. And the same way Mercury mail server for the emails, Tomcat for Java applications. Okay, in the programming languages, PHP is already selected and you cannot unselect this. This will be installed, and along with that, if you need, you can install Perl. And down here, PHPMyAdmin for user interface to manage MySQL, and Webalizer for the web log analysis. Fake send email to prevent sending emails. It will store the emails to some defined location. I will keep all checked and then next. Okay, from here you can select the location where you want to install this. I'm going to install this in C drive, and I will recommend you to install on the same location if you are in Windows or somewhere else, but at least not in the program files due to some restrictions. So then click next, language English, and next, and now it is ready to install. Just click next and it will install all the files. Okay, our installation has been finished. Leave it checked if you want to start the control panel after you click the finish button. So finish. Okay, from here you can start Apache, MySQL and other services, whatever you want. And now let's go to the root directory. It is in C drive, XAMPP and htdocs. So this is our root folder. And for PHPMyAdmin page, you can click on admin and it will open PHPMyAdmin page. So viewers, this was the installation of XAMPP, and hope you liked the video, and I will see you again in the next video.